Hi friends, all of a sudden I have two new cameras in my photography stable. The first one, Fujifilm X-T3, the one which is recording this video, and the second one that I am more excited about is the camera about which we'll be talking in this video, and this is GoPro Hero 9 Black. This is my second action camera. I had an action camera earlier as well that I have been taking to my biking trips, trekking trips. It had been a long companion for me all these years, but then a GoPro is a GoPro. I haven't opened this camera yet, so I'm pretty excited. What's there in the box? This video will be all about unboxing this GoPro. I will be doing detailed reviews of the camera when I start taking them to my trips, and that will be pretty soon, hopefully. As of now, in this video we'll be just talking about unboxing Hero 9 Black. So that's our GoPro 9. So let's start it. Here goes the cover, and then we have two things here: creative peripherals, 1-year warranty card, and this is another card here, and it's about GoPro Passport program, which gives you 25% discount on 10,000 plus travel experiences. And probably Phirophilia is a partner to this program. So that's one keep here. Now, here is this GoPro Black. Let's see, where should be? That's the mark here to open it, and this and this, and that's where the new camera is, in this looking box. Let's see what's there inside. That's GoPro Hero 9. We have a manual here and all type of product questions. Subscribe to GoPro and the different ways to use it. We'll doing it in a detailed manner, and this is GoPro 9. One major difference between GoPro 9 and its earlier version is this little screen on the front that makes it also a very exciting selfie and a vlogging camera. So that's a probably plug. There are few one accessory, one screw in this. That's the battery here, and that's one attached unit to attach it. The only thing about GoPro cameras is that you always need to buy all the attachments that you will be needing it for all your travel tips, whether you're biking, So whether you have to attach it to your chest, whether you have to attach it to your helmet, or whether you have to attach it to your handlebars, whether your bicycle or the motorbike, all attachments need to be purchased separately. As far as GoPro 9 is concerned, that all official attachments that do come with GoPro, that do go with GoPro 9, are yet not available in the market. There are you can use ones that were there for GoPro 8, but then there are different modes in GoPro 9 actually, and for that you will be needing them to be available in the market. So yet not there, and I'm hoping that they will be out there very soon, so that you can use this amazing camera to its full potential. So that's it. So that's the power button. We'll remove this. Okay, here it goes. That's that. Now let's take out the battery. Here is the battery. So as far as I have seen in some tutorials, that's the battery compartment here. We push it bit down here and then pull it like this. That's the battery compartment, you see, and here is the micro SD card slot. So here goes the battery inside. They have good, that's where you pull out the battery. So battery goes inside, you push it back, the click, and here it goes. That's how. The normal battery is there. Let's see, they might have charged it a bit. So here's the power button, so we put it on. Now that's, here comes the nice beep beep beep. So that's it, GoPro, and you see that's cute little screen on the front. Okay, now here we can go on for the different settings that we'll do later. And as I said, this comes with a helmet mount, and only helmet mount is the one actually that's being supplied in the box. The rest, all the mounts and accessories will have to be purchased separately. That's my exciting new GoPro 9 camera. Looks exciting time ahead.